Sophie, and today I'm going to show you how I am going to teach my mom how to draw a cupcake. This is my sketch of the cupcake. First we're going to draw the cupcake, then we're going to add some stars, flowers, and stripes for our wrapping design, sprinkles onto our frosting, and some toppings like cherries, strawberries, chocolate chip cookies, and chocolate sticks for our toppings. Grab a piece of paper and draw with us. Let's start drawing.
All right.
First, we're going to draw the frosting. So you start about here, and then you curve down and make a bump.
So it's in the middle of the paper?
Yep. It's like a sideways S, like a sideways backwards S.
Okay.
And then start here, not here. And then we're going to start here, and then going to make a C shape.
All right. Start here with a C shape.
And then we start about here and make another C shape.
Ooh. Make another C shape.
Like 3 layers of frosting.
Okay.
Not cupcakes. So we start here and do the same C shape, only this time it's a backward C.
Ah, okay. Backwards.
It's like all of them are looking at each other.
Okay.
Oh, good.
All right.
That's a very big frosting. And then we're going to start here and connect them.
Okay, connect them.
Ooh, our frosting is done. Now we're going to draw the wrapper. So we start here,
All right.
and then we slant down. Like that.
Okay.
And then we start here, and then slant down again.
Okay, slant down again.
And then we go at the bottom, make a curve to connect them together.
Connect together. Okay.
Woohoo! Now we're going to add the designs onto our wrapper. We can either choose stars, flowers, and stripes. I'll go with stripes.
Yeah, stripes good.
Okay, I'm just going to draw some slanting lines. There.
Ooh, great.
Now for the sprinkles on our cupcake. We'll use a smaller pointed Sharpie for this.
Okay.
I'll just draw some circles. There. There's small circles. Perfect!
Okay.
Those are huge circles to me. Now for the toppings. So for the toppings, we can draw a cherry on top, a strawberry on top, a chocolate chip cookie, and chocolate sticks. I'll go with chocolate chip cookies and chocolate sticks.
Oh, sounds good. I'll just copy you.
Sure. So I start about here
Uh-huh.
and make a large curve, and then curve into the other side.
Okay. Curve other side.
And then we're going to start here, make the thickness of our cookie, and then we go all the way in.
Okay.
And then we're going to draw the chocolate chunks. So we're basically just some, squares, circle-esque.
That's easy.
Yep, easy peasy lemon squeezy. Now here, we're going to draw the chocolate sticks. We're going to shoot a long line here,
Okay. Long line here.
a small line here,
Small line.
and another long line that goes back into the frosting.
Okay. Back to the frosting.
Same thing for the next one.
Okay.
So another long line, then a smaller line,
Okay. Long line and a small line.
and then have a long line shoot. back into the frosting.
Back to the frosting. All right.
Yep. Now we're done drawing our cupcake. First, we're going to color the frosting.
Okay.
So first, I'm going to color the darker color on the bottom, the first, layer of the frosting. Then gradually, I'm going to fade into a very light blue, sky blue.
Oh, okay. So you're gonna do your frosting blue?
Yes, you can do yours pink, red, any color.
Okay. I'm gonna do pink. I like pink.
Watch out for the sprinkles.
Oh, I try my best. I have too many sprinkles.
It's okay.
Okay. So the pink color reminds me of the strawberry.
Yeah.
Why you use blue?
Blue and purple are my favorite colors.
Okay. So should I use the pink for all of the frosting?
You can, but I like to make it a little special. So I'm gonna use different colors lighter than that color, and then go up and slowly fade into a very light color.
Okay.
But you don't have to do that.
I want to copy you. I want to learn from you.
Aw, thanks.
Okay, so I'm gonna use the light pink.
Okay. So I'm basically just when you do the second layer, make sure to put a bit of the color onto the first layer, so that way it doesn't seem to like a person just chopped like just a blue one, just so it seems more natural.
Oh, okay. So we use different colors for 3 layers. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
I bet the person who has this must be very lucky to get such a pretty cupcake.
Yeah. All right.
Now for the top layer.
Top layer, right? This is the lightest pink, I think.
I have an idea.
What is it?
You can just use much less strength that you use for this one for the color on the top.
Oh, okay. Thank you. That's a good idea.
Woohoo!
All right. I like the coloring.
Me too. It seems fun to me too. Okay. Just see it. Now for the sprinkle.
Sprinkle.
I'm gonna color mine pink.
Pink. Huh.
Yep.
I'll probably use multicolor.
Sure. The sprinkles are easy to color because they're so small and just a tiny bit.
Okay.
Wow, we're like opposite colors. Okay.
All right. How's my frosting so far?
It's good.
Okay. What's the next?
Okay, so next we are going to color. No, that's not right. Okay, this part, the wrapping. So I'm gonna do red and pink over and over again. But you can do a rainbow or any color.
Oh, I do the rainbow color.
Sure. Make sure when you're coloring this part, you better darken it because of all the loads of icing on top.
Oh, okay. I just use orange. I start with orange color.
Okay.
So you're gonna do the pattern?
Yep.
Okay.
Wow. I love your rainbow sprinkles.
You do?
Yeah.
Oh.
I also love the loads of icing you put on top.
Oh, I try not to do rainbow, but I only have 3 here, so probably use a red.
It's okay.
What about yours?
It's good. Although my pink and red kind of look the same.
Very similar.
Yeah. I think I'll just darken it more.
Do you need a mic red?
No, it's okay. But thanks.
I only have 3, so I'm done.
Something I would change if I were you is the frosting because it kind of is like, looks a little way too heavy for the small base. It looks like it's about to topple off any moment.
Okay.
But I do love the rainbow color sprinkles.
You do?
Yes,
Okay.
I love rainbow sprinkles.
Great. I love them too.
Yes. Woohoo.
Done.
Yeah. Now we're gonna color the chocolate chip cookie.
That's easy. Really just dark brown, that's all?
Nope. First, we're gonna color the cookie, basically. Just not the chocolate chips, just a light brown.
A light brown, okay. For the cookie?
Yep, pretty easy. Make sure to darken this area because it's blocked by the frosting.
Which area?
This
one?
area.
Oh, okay. Whoa, that's a real chocolate cookie.
Yep, it is.
Okay. Can I just color the whole cookie same color?
Sure, if you want.
But you see here is a little bit dark. Right?
Mm-hmm.
What are you doing?
So now we're going to color the chocolate chips.
Oh, okay. What color should you use?
Dark brown for the chocolate.
Okay.
Wow. That is a dark brown. Chocolatey. Finally, we can color our chocolate sticks. I'm just going to color it a plain old dark brown.
Me too.
It kind of weird since it says redwood and it isn't even red.
Yeah, sometimes they make the name different
Than it
what
really
we
is.
thought.
Okay. We're done coloring and drawing it. Time to sign our names.
That would be very fast.
Yep. Easy, easy.
Easy. Today's 13th.
Yep. Time flies.
I know. Okay. How's my work today?
Great. I love the loads of icing.
Oh, you do?
I love rainbow colors.
Mm-hmm.
But there's something I would like to change. Could you, this part about the cookie, the cookies, not the chocolate chip, I would make it a little lighter because it kind of almost blends in with this one. But other than that, your cupcake is pretty good.
Think so?
Yes.
Oh, thank you. But it looks a little bit like ice cream. Look
It does.
Oh my, look at yours. Wow, you are such a good drawer.
Oh, thank you. We're done coloring and drawing. These are our pictures. I love my mom's huge amount of frosting and her colorful sprinkles. All this talk about cupcakes makes me hungry. Mom, can we eat a cupcake?
Why not?
Well, let's head for the pantry.